Today, we're tackling a big question. Will vertical AI agents replace software as a service, SaaS, in the near future? Let's dive in. First, what are vertical AI agents? These are AI systems designed for specific industries like healthcare, finance, or retail, offering tailored solutions. SaaS, or software as a service, has dominated the tech world for years. It offers scalable cloud-based solutions for businesses of all sizes. Vertical AI agents excel in specialization. They can analyze industry-specific data, automate complex tasks, and deliver hyper-personalized results. SaaS, on the other hand, is versatile. It provides broad solutions that can be customized for multiple industries, making it a one-stop shop for businesses. As vertical AI agents become more advanced, they're starting to challenge SaaS platforms. But will they replace them entirely? Vertical AI agents offer deeper insights, faster decision-making, and cost savings for niche industries. They're built to solve specific problems, not generic ones. SaaS platforms are flexible and scalable. They can adapt to different industries and grow with businesses, making them a reliable choice for many. Rather than replacing SaaS, vertical AI agents might complement it. Imagine SaaS platforms integrating vertical AI agents for industry-specific enhancements. Vertical AI agents face challenges like high development costs, data privacy concerns, and the need for constant updates to stay relevant. SaaS platforms struggle with generic solutions that may not meet the unique needs of every industry, leading to inefficiencies. So will vertical AI agents replace SaaS? Not entirely. Instead, they'll likely coexist, with each playing to its strengths in the evolving tech landscape. The future of tech is exciting, and both vertical AI agents and SaaS will play a role. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like,